In front of me is the OPPO Find X9 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to tap on Apps. This way you can access OPPO's App Cloner, which is over here. Click on it and tap on one of those recommended apps if you want to clone one, or simply hit Other apps to clone any of those. Now tap on a chosen one, select the gray switcher next to Create App Clone, and wait. As you can see, my app was successfully cloned. If you wish to clone it again, hit Add Clone. You can create up to 3. So basically, I can have 4 Amazon shopping apps. Now, choose Default app to open. Pick one of those by tapping on whatever you wish to, and then go back to check it out. As you can see, my app was successfully cloned. If you wish to delete those clones, you can do that by holding one you want to get rid of, choosing Uninstall, and hitting Uninstall in the pop-up. Or you can go back to the same section in your settings. Click on it and tap on Delete Clone. Then confirm your choice here. You can even rename each one by clicking on it in the same section. If you wish to delete all of them at once, use blue switcher next to Create App Clone and hit Delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!